Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Mercedes Benz AMG GT. First, let's lay down the foundational shapes. Start by sketching a long, low rectangle to represent the car's powerful main body. Next, place a smaller, curved rectangle on top. This will form the sleek cabin and windshield. Finally, define the wheelbase by drawing two circles for the wheels, making sure they are spaced correctly for a balanced look. These initial steps are crucial for capturing the AMG GT's distinctive stance. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into the AMG GT's iconic form. Gently connect the basic rectangles with smooth, continuous lines to establish the car's flowing silhouette. Pay close attention to the elegant curves. Next, detail the wheel arches, giving them a subtle flair, and add intricate spokes to the wheels for a realistic touch. Finally, outline the side windows and emphasize the car's low, aggressive roofline, which is a key design element. With the main body defined, it's time to add the distinctive features that make the AMG GT instantly recognizable. Start by drawing the imposing Panamericana grille, carefully adding its signature vertical chrome slats. Next, sketch the elongated, swept-back headlights and the sleek, horizontal taillights, ensuring they align with the car's dynamic lines. Don't forget to incorporate the prominent hood vents and the functional side air intakes, which contribute to its aggressive aesthetic and performance look. To bring your drawing to life, let's focus on the finishing touches and shading. Add subtle details such as the flush door handles, sleek side mirrors, and the distinctive quad exhaust tips. Now, apply careful shading and highlights to give your drawing depth and a three-dimensional form, making the surfaces appear sculpted and realistic. Remember to vary your pressure for different tones. And speaking of lasting quality, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals that are built to endure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.